It's Black Friday, and that means it's time for you new video editors to upgrade your tech for under $100. Let's do it. Now, all these links are in the description below, and they are affiliate links, so keep that in mind when you click a link. Number one on our list is our most expensive item, the SanDisk 2TB external SSD, coming in at just $99. Now, like I said, this is the most important item and the expensive item on our list, because if you don't have an external hard drive, my dude, you are missing out. I have several external hard drives. These are just two that are sitting on my computer right now. You can never not have enough external hard drives. So do yourself a favor. If you have not yet gotten one, pick one up today while it's on sale. The SanDisk one is a beautiful one. It's a great one. It has amazing reviews. You won't go wrong with that SSD. Next up is an LG 24-inch 1080p monitor. Now, here's the deal. This monitor is not the best monitor in the world. It clocks in at only $75, and it's a plastic build. It's pretty cheap feeling when you get it out of the box. I've bought this a couple of times for a couple different projects that I've worked on. It's a great, cheap monitor, and I want to emphasize that. Cheap monitor. Now, this is a great secondary monitor if you just need a second screen to like port some stuff over onto your main screen or things like that, and you're really rocking just one computer monitor right now. I would highly recommend grabbing this as a secondary cheap screen, not the screen you're going to be using to primarily edit on, but just an extra screen that you can look at assets and grab some stuff and pull it from one screen to the other. It's really helpful having two screens editing, and one of the things that can hold an editor back at the beginning part is not having enough money to buy two really high quality monitors. Here's the deal. You don't have to have two high quality monitors. Have one monitor that is incredibly high quality that you can edit on, and another monitor that does the job for you. I have two monitors at my desk. One is a monitor that I've had since 2017. It's a 1080p HP monitor. It was great when I bought it, right? But it's now, right? It's not a great monitor anymore, especially for the standard of video editing. Now my MSI monitor does all of that for me, but this monitor I use now in my secondary is an amazing cheap monitor to have assets up while I'm loading them into my video editing projects in Premiere. If you need a cheap video editing monitor for that purpose, get this one, link in the description. Next up at $84 is the Blue Yeti microphone. It's actually the microphone I use to record every single one of my videos. You can't go wrong with a Blue Yeti microphone. It is a classic USB microphone, and I think they are amazing for video editors, especially when they hop on calls with clients. It helps you sound crisper than just using like your headset microphone or anything like that. Do yourself a favor, invest in a high quality microphone so that you can have great video calls with your clients. Keeping the video call thing going, next up is our Logitech C920 webcam. This is actually the personal webcam I have when I'm not using my Canon M50 to record videos, right? I have a webcam that I use to go ahead and do my client calls and things like that, and I use the C920. It's an amazing 1080p webcam, and it clocks in at only $59. If you need a webcam, this is the one that you should buy. And last but not least, for all my Apple fanboys out there, the Apple keyboard is on sale for $79 as opposed to its normal $100 price point. I use an Apple keyboard for my Mac editing setup all the time, and I love my Apple keyboard setup. So if you want to get an Apple keyboard and you just haven't bought that yet and you've been editing on your Mac and you want to get a nice new keyboard, now's the time to do so. As I was saying, affiliate links are in the description for all the items that we talked about today. And of course, click right here if you want to keep learning and investing in your business.